Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, January 13th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades with an add-on. All of them were short. All of them were winners. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. The first trade we had was an understanding trade. The time was 9:06 Central Standard Time. We got short at 1933.75, and we took that down and made a point. I told everybody before we took the trade it was probably only going to make a point, so I said take more off. I said we're basically playing for this 250 here, and it might not go any further right now. It might need a little bit more time. And that's exactly what happened. So very small profit on that one, but nonetheless it was a winning trade. Next trade we had was an RS right at the news. Told everybody this was a classic RS, but it was right at the news. Some people took it, some people didn't. Stay away from news, but it was called right at 32.50 after this green candle closed, and a lot of people made 2 points on that trade who took it, and then got out right because the news was coming out, or those who held it obviously could have made nice profits. So 2 points for most. Otherwise, I said that if the market came down and it got lower than this bottom of this wick here, it was probably going to go down to flat, which was that line down there. So you could have made up to 7.5 points on that trade. But again, a lot of people made 2 and got out because of the news. Then we had another RS that I called at 1928.50 on the 9:45 candle, and that one you could have made. Some people got filled at 3 points. I personally did not. I got 2 points on it. Went to entry, and I said short term that the market wants to, if they're not going to take it flat, that the short term the market wants to get up to the 30-32 area. Again, I said this all the way back here. That's exactly what it did. Okay, so I wasn't going to really play with it too much. We were looking for this move here. Okay. And I thought that it might be a little early in the morning. In fact, I was telling everybody in the morning that it would be very late in the morning or in the afternoon before they did this. But, it was only about 10:15 here, but I figured, well, let's go give it a shot. We were looking for this to potentially happen here. Okay, so we did get short. We did make money. I said I expected to go a minimum of 1.5 to 2 points. And if it went further than the 2 points, it would go down to 250, and then if it got below 150, these same targets over here would go. Well, that never materialized, so it went the minimum, and that was it. Small profit of 1 point there, and then when the market came back up and did it again, I said this is probably what we've been waiting for. Let's try it again. We got short at 475, 24.75 at the 10:48 candle, and again we took it down. I told everybody if it got below 150 that the market was going down to 19. Actually, it was actually 20, but then we got out at 19.25 for some people that had to leave when the room closed. 20 and then 17.50. When this thing was pushing down here and it got all the way down there, I said there's no way conceivable that I don't think it'll get down to 17.50. I just don't know how long it's going to take. So the room closed here officially at 11 o'clock. People had to leave. So I told them that just get out, get flat 19.25. I said if you want to stay in the trade, I said it's no doubt that it's going down to 17.50, but most people got out at 19.25. They had to leave. Because who knows how long it would have taken. It did go up there. One candle came right back down and hit the 17.50, and that's basically been the low of the day so far. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow, guys. We had a great day in the room. We're going to see you back tomorrow, and have a great afternoon.